Hi, it's Mike with Beach Home Inspections. Here's some more maintenance tips for you. What are you looking for when you look at your hot water tank? Let's have a look. So this home has a dual tank system. Right away, one of the things we notice is that there's some storage and other things on top. Gases that come through the hot water tank and exit through these vents here have a possibility of catching these things on fire. These definitely need to be removed. Next, we're going to have a look at the tanks themselves and see if we can see any rust spots. These seem to be doing just fine. No water in the catch pans. It's all good. We're going to want to look and make sure none of the piping is separated. It's all sloped nicely. And that also looks good. I would also recommend as a homeowner that you test these PVRs or pressure relief valves. Those should be done at least on an annual basis to make sure they're operating properly. Lastly, we're going to want to look at the data plate, and these are over 10 years old. So based on that, I'm going to recommend that these be looked at the very least every 6 months to make sure they're operating properly. Well, that's it for me. Have a great day.